Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mazda CX-30 versus PROTON X50. We'll dive into their core specifications, design philosophies, and overall driving experiences to help you decide which compact SUV best suits your needs. We will examine performance, interior comfort, technology, and value propositions. This comparison will highlight key differences and similarities, guiding your purchasing decision effectively. When it comes to power, the Mazda CX-30 typically offers a 2.5-liter engine, with a turbocharged option delivering up to 250 horsepower. It pairs this with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. The PROTON X50, on the other hand, utilizes a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, providing up to 181 PS, coupled with a responsive 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Both offer capable performance for their class. Inside, the Mazda CX-30 presents a premium, driver-focused cabin with an 8.8-inch or 10.25-inch infotainment display, controlled by a rotary knob. The PROTON X50 counters with a larger 10-inch or 12.3-inch touchscreen, often featuring advanced voice command capabilities. Both vehicles prioritize comfort and connectivity, offering modern amenities and robust safety systems for peace of mind on every journey. Considering value, the Mazda CX-30 starts around $26,690, delivering a refined, near-luxury experience. The PROTON X50, with its starting price of approximately 85,800 Malaysian ringgit, offers a feature-rich package at a highly competitive price point. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize Mazda's driving refinement or PROTON's extensive features for the money. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.